Prepositions. Prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are the words used with nouns or pronouns to show their relation with another object, element in the sentence are termed as prepositions, right? So prepositions are used with noun and pronoun. एक noun और pronoun के साथ use होते हैं, ठीक है? और relationship, some kind of relations are built by them. Okay, किसके साथ? With object, with another object or the other element of a sentence. So those are known as prepositions. You know, they are like in, at, on, after, into, behind, with, due to. There are many kind of examples of prepositions, right? So the next is kinds of prepositions, right? There are three kinds of prepositions. First is simple preposition, second is compound, and the third is phrase. So what's simple prepositions? Simple prepositions means exist mostly as single syllable. मतलब वो preposition सारी जो कि single syllable की होती हैं. So what is syllable? Syllable is the smallest unit of a word, right? कि जिसमें एक वाल आता है, vowel, जिसे हम vowel बोलते हैं, वाल, ठीक है? जैसे कि at, a, एक vowel आया, by, right? By, on, in, from, up. You don't break the word, you just spell as a single word. That is, simple prepositions exist mostly as single syllable. Compound prepositions, ये फॉर्म जो होती हैं बेटे दूसरे वर्ड्स को मॉडिफाई करके, ठीक है? मोस्टली दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग ए और ए बी समटाइम्स before those words, right? Like for example, if I say before, below, along, across, among, between, within, so such are called compound prepositions. The last one is phrase preposition. So what are phrase prepositions? Phrase means some words. It is not a single word, but group of words will be termed as phrase. Okay. For example, to convey a single idea, you know, formed by group of words used to convey a single idea. For example, in front of. So it is group of words. In front of, phrase preposition, right? For the sake of, in place of. So these are phrase prepositions. So now let's turn to some kind of relations built by them. There are different kinds of relations expressed by prepositions. The first one is relation of preposition, relation of place or position, right? So prepositions like on, for, from, upon, such words establish the relation of place or position between the object of the preposition and some other element in that sentence. ऐसे words जो कि आपको इशारा करेंगे some kind of place and position has been described or is been mentioned, okay, then those words will be called the prepositions showing relation of place or position. Example देखिए, the cat is sitting near the fire. Here you can easily mark near is a preposition, but what kind of relation it is establishing? It is establishing a relation of place, position, near the fire, right? Like the poster is behind this block. Behind means पीछे. So it is position, right? Next देखिए, that is relation of movement. What it means? Relation of movement. Movement means बेटे कोई चीज चल रही है, कोई चीज चल रही है. Movement is showing. So the preposition through, along, across, into, other words establish the relation of movement. Like the swimmer dived into the pool. Here diving is done. Diving means verb है, motion verb, right? So into the pool, into is showing some kind of movement, right? The invisible man passed through the iron gate. Here through the iron gate, through means movement, because there was a passing of some man through the iron gate. Some movement has been shown, so that is showing relationship of movement, right? Next देखिए बेटे, relation of direction or destination. देखिए, what is direction and destination? Direction means दिशा, destination means where you have to go to reach your final point, right? So the prepositions towards, toward, from, to, etc. establish a relation of direction. Example देखिए, see the examples. He will enter the country from Arunachal. He will enter the country from Arunachal. अब कहाँ की बात हो रही है? From. तो एक direction है. Arunachal is a direction. That he is going to enter a country from Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. So which kind of direction it is showing? From that. Okay. So this is relation of direction. Then is relation of time. Words means prepositions which are establish the relationship of time with the object or the other elements in a sentence. They come under this category. For example, we have our annual exams in March. We have our annual exams in March. Here in March. In March के देखिए in जो है वो हमने अभी position में भी किया था. But you see the sense of sentence, right? In this sense, it is showing that in March, some kind of time has been shown. Can you finish your work by 6 o'clock? Here again, by 6 o'clock, relation of time. Next, देखिए relation of agency. अब relation of agency means which will show, means the prepositions by, with, through, etc. establish the relation of agency. ठीक है? किसके द्वारा? लाइक द लेटर वॉज सेंट थ्रू द स्पीड पोस्ट. थ्रू किसके द्वारा? थ्रू द स्पीड पोस्ट. सो द वर्ड थ्रू इज शोइंग सम काइंड ऑफ एजेंसी, रिलेशन ऑफ एजेंसी. सेम इज द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. द बंडल वॉज टाइड अप विद द टफ रॉप. विद द टफ रॉप, रिलेशन ऑफ एजेंसी. नेक्स्ट इज रिलेशन ऑफ मैनर. रिलेशन ऑफ मैनर मीन्स यू नो हाउ. इट विल शो यू हाउ द वर्क, यू नो हाउ. Like the answers went one by one. How the answers went? One by one. So, manner, by. Next देखिए relation of origin. That is source also. That could be purpose also. ठीक है? Source, purpose, origin. कहाँ से कोई चीज़ हुई है? So that will establish that kind of relation. Like sugar is obtained from sugar cane. So उसका जो शुगर है उसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ है? शुगर के है ना, शुगर केन से. सो फ्रॉम. सो ओरिजिन, सोर्स और पर्पस. नेक्स्ट देखिए रिलेशन ऑफ रीजन. रीजन मीन्स वाई. इट विल आंसर यू नो दैट व्हाट रीजन इज बिहाइंड सम आइडिया. सो द prepositions of, from, with, due to, etc. establish the relation of a reason. Like my mother is suffering from viral. अब यहाँ पे from viral रीजन दे रहा है आपको. सफर कर रहे हैं. What is the reason? The reason behind the suffering is that she is suffering from viral. The bridge remained incomplete due to lack of funds. अब क्यों it was incomplete? The bridge is incomplete due to, a reason is given, due to. So the due to is a reason, right? Next देखिए relation of possession. Possession means you own something, है ना. किसके पास कोई चीज़, like leave the keys with me. So with me, with is showing some possession, that who, मतलब किसके पास कोई चीज़ है. सो विद मी, राइट, विद पोजेशन. रिलेशन ऑफ रेट एंड वैल्यू. रिलेशन ऑफ रेट एंड वैल्यू मीन्स जो आपको एस्टेब्लिश करेगी रिलेशनशिप एक वैल्यू का, एक रेट का. सम काइंड ऑफ अमाउंट विल बी देयर. हाउस प्राइसेस हैव गोन अप बाय 20%. बाय 20%. ओके, वैल्यू दी गई है यहाँ पे. कितने परसेंट हाउस प्राइसेस बढ़ गए हैं? by 20%. So by it is showing relationship some value. एक रेट दिखाया जा रहा है. ना लास्ट देखिए रिलेशन ऑफ कंपैरिजन. कंपैरिजन you all know that means तुलना की गई है. like between, among, they establish some kind of relation. Example देखिए. my mother never discriminates between my brother and me. So here between is showing a comparison made by mother between two, like my brother and me. So these were the relations of prepositions. I hope you have understood. Thank you.